It's not often I woke up on a Sabbath and I'm grumpy upon my person. We watched rugby yesterday. Sometimes Rashi common sense. I mean, you're the best take in the whole world. You've absolutely changed the whole of the rugby earth. Single-handedly, bomb squad, hybrid players, Faf jumping at scrum off Colby, kicking for poles. I mean, these things, what you've done, what is the best in the whole of the earth. But then every now and then, Russ, you have a brain fart. You must have left 21 points on the field, going for the bloody lineouts, and then not going for poles. I don't understand it. I know you're going to have a very clever explanation for why you did that, but the first one you go for the touch, then you go for poles, then you go for touch again. Then I don't even know. Guys, he's not what he was 10 years ago. Next game, start Pollard. You got a fly for kicks for poles, even though Colby's a nice guy. You got Colby and start Pollard at the 10. You play old school rugby. You move him up front, stickend, you take names, and then you kick your penalties, and every now and then the tries will come. Secondly, poor Oxen, he gets taken off 5 minutes into the second half. The AK just sodomized his opposition scrum guy person from New Zealand the whole game. He's just had a 10-minute rest, so he's as fresh as a pepper steak pie in the naga. And then you yank him off. The two props what came on, nice guys, I'm sure. They doodskoots for hitting Buffalo at 300 yards with a 303 without a scope. But they're not in the same clause as Oxy and Wilco Louw. And then let us talk about the blue elephant in the lounge. Visser, 8th man. I'm telling you now, that I want that guy to be my parliamentarian. I'll have him date my daughter. If he works in my yard on a Sunday, I'll pay him double time, plus 50 rand. I don't know what all the accolades is, what we can give him. Toyota, give that guy a Land Cruiser, please, because the best needs the best. Visser, whatever your name is, I confuse you with Kobus, who opened up all the coffee shops with the spiky, he looks like a policeman from Dispatch. Mr. Visser, listen, I want to make love to your person. I want to run away with you. I want to raise your good children. I want to make a farm in the lands. I want to work your lands with my hands. Please, Rashi, make Visser the captain, the fly off, the scrum off, the baggage master, and the captain again. Because the charge is off with that guy.